Hello allemaal, hi everybody. We are on our way to go to a canal boat trip, and Peter and I were going to take the day to go down and see Utrecht. And Utrecht is a beautiful city with lots of medieval parts of it that are still there. It was a city that was founded as early as 47, the year 47. So that was when the Roman Empire was going throughout Europe and going in throughout and establishing their empire. And so this was one of the cities that they did at that time, which is around 47. Got Utrecht. Of course, it's been through the Spanish and many other conquerors coming through this area. The Vikings, of course, took a lot of part of the Netherlands and conquering it. So very great history to see. And I'm going to show you some of that. We're going to be on the boat, and I'm going to show you some of the architecture, and we'll hear what the boat tour has to say too. So you're going to be seeing Utrecht with me for the very first time. And I am wearing today, of course I had to wear a wig. It's been raining this morning, sun's coming out a bit, so it's drying up, and I am wearing this beautiful red, which is by Envy, and this is Rose in the lighter red color, and she's just gorgeous. Get some sunlight on it. Beautiful wig. So thank you for joining me again today as I take you through the Netherlands and a little bit of wig, not our normal walk and talk, but this is a wig boat ride or tour, wig and tour day with Mel B. So you'll get to see a little bit of Peter in it, and some of the people on the boat maybe in the background, but hope you enjoy the tour. And of course, beautiful wig. If you have any questions about it, direct message me, DM me below, and I'll send you a link on this Envy by Rose. Doing my darlings, see you on the boat tour.
The concert hall was refurbished and expanded with the concert venue Tivoli.
Het grote moderne gebouw aan de rechterzijde is Tivoli Vredenburg. Het voormalige...
You can see the Werktheater, War Theatre, in one of the cellars. This is Utrecht's smallest theatre, seating around 100 visitors.
Links na de brug ziet u in een van de kelders het Werftheater. Dit is het kleinste theater van Utrecht. Het biedt plek aan een kleine 100 bezoekers.
Links hinter der Brücke können Sie in einem der Keller das Werfttheater sehen. Dies ist das kleinste Theater in Utrecht. Nur knapp 100 Besucher haben Platz darin.
On your right side, at street level, you can see the Alpha
Auf der Brücke befindet sich eine Statue des Apostels Bartholomäus.
Finally, in 2009, the motorway was demolished, and reconstruction of Catharijnenseal began, enabling boats to sail here once again.
In de jaren 60 werd besloten de Catharijnenseal te dempen ten behoeve van een autoweg. Hiervoor is het ruim 800 jaar lang een belangrijke en drukke waterweg geweest.
So now what I'm going to show you, in the distance you can see these big giant windmills. They're everywhere in the Netherlands, everywhere, and it produces a great deal of our energy here. I hope you enjoyed the boat tour. We're on our way back now, so that was about an hour boat tour in total, and Utrecht from where we live is about an hour and 45 minutes. So we're on our way back. We're going to stop in a little town called Almere and have lunch. So if we see anything, I'll be sure and get some pictures or photos with you, and I'll show you out the vents just to see a little bit of the. Is this part of the IJsselmeer? IJsselmeer. So this is the IJsselmeer, and we have areas that, of course, when they built the big dikes that were closed off by the dikes, closed it because it was just a part of the sea. So it's just like an inland sea. It's so big. But from the IJsseldijk over here into Almere is just absolutely beautiful. So thanks again. I'm going to leave the link for this wig in the description below. This is Rose in lighter red, and it's just gorgeous. And we're going to go stop and have lunch. And if I don't see you again in this video, then doing my darlings, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.